Om Shanti. The magic of blessings, 13/3/2018. So the blessing is, may you be a greatly powerful soul who with courage and enthusiasm achieves success in every task. On the path of explanation, on the path of devotion, it is said, courage and enthusiasm are able to change dirt into wealth. If you have courage and enthusiasm, others become cooperative with you. If you lack wealth, enthusiasm would then draw wealth from somewhere or other and bring it to you. It would also draw success to you. The duty of the great instrument souls is to keep themselves enthusiastic and to give enthusiasm to others. It is because you stay in enthusiasm at this time that they show your constantly smiling and powerful faces in the long non-living images. So Baba says here, the duty of the great instrument souls is to keep themselves enthusiastic and to give enthusiasm to others. It is because you stay in enthusiasm at this time, at confluence age, that they show your constantly smiling and powerful faces in the non-living images, deities. Okay, so the question is how to remain always enthusiastic. Some of us are in Gyan since last 30 years, 40 years, 15 years, 20 years. So how to keep that enthusiasm? Every day we get up for Amrit Vela, we do Amrit Vela, then we go for Murli class, then we go for Seva, and then evening yoga, and then some churning, and then we go to sleep. So this is the routine most of the Brahmins follow. Now when you follow something every day, same thing, then mind gets bored. And then you feel like leaving it. Oh, why to do it every day? It's okay now. One day Amrit Vela miss kiya. It's okay. Yeah? Sometimes it will happen like that. It's okay. One day I'm not feeling well. I'm feeling feverish. I can miss Murli today. I'm there in Gyan since 30 years. It's okay. I can miss today. Oh, it's raining heavily today. I will read Murli at room only. You know? Baba has said, read Murli every day. So I'll read it. No need to go. It's so heavily raining outside. So that enthusiasm goes away sometime when we follow the routine. So when we have to walk on this path, we have to be very enthusiastic. Then only our efforts, our Purusharth will be very good and elevated. If we lose that enthusiasm, the battle is lost. So how to keep that enthusiasm in Brahmin life? Creativity. First know the importance of this Brahman life. That this is a very small period of time that God has come to meet us. Every time if we keep this thing in our mind, that I am going to meet God only for this few years of my entire kalpa of 5,000 years. After that, He is not going to meet me. After that, neither I will think about Him and neither He is going to come in golden age to meet me. This is only those few years, and some of us have come very late in Gyan. So, those special diamond period of 5,000 years is now. So every time reminding ourselves that only this is short period of time, and then everything is going to get over. And what Brahmin family also, when we meet our Brahmin family, sometimes we have this clashes of sanskars. And sometimes I always keep this in my mind. It's okay. Now the drama is going to get over. Now this confluence age is going to get over. And it's only few years we are going to be with each other. And then we are going to separate. So let's, forgive them. So this, keeping this in mind, that this is only short period that Baba has met me. And I should take everything from him. I should become full. Whatever he has, I should pull everything from him. Next. Okay, to remain enthusiastic, today is my last day. So whenever anybody thinks like that, today is my last day. And daily this thought should be there in the mind. Then the Purusharth, the effort will be 100%. Then you will give 100% to that day. What else? God is watching me. So if God is watching me, suppose if we are working in any institution, and the boss comes, so we will start working little consciously. We will do extra things to show him that I'm doing my work very nicely and I'm very dedicated to my work. And so here the boss upstairs, the Supreme Soul is watching us every day and every time and every second. Then we'll be very alert and we'll do things very nicely. So that's a nice thing, that God is watching us. That every time we say that the CCTV camera of Baba is always on and we are always being watched by him. What else? Okay, remember that this is the first day in Gyan, that intoxication. Yeah, that intoxication, the day, remember that day when we came in knowledge, and how enthusiastic we were and how intoxicated with that knowledge, and we felt like giving this knowledge to the entire world, and how much service we used to do, and spend time in service, going to centers and going for exhibitions. So remember that, and that cheerfulness and that smile, everything will come back. So remember that this is the first day in Gyan. What else? Remembering? Remembering our spiritual achievements, praptiya. So keep that in your mind, that after coming into Gyan, these are the achievements I have got, and now my life is very precious. So remembering spiritual achievements, whatever I have got from Baba, from this Brahmin family, from this yajna, from this knowledge. Time and tide, wait for none. So make use of this time, right? So again, that point that this is a short period of time, and so make all the benefit out of it. Remember that first Madhuban visit, and remember that Babdada Milan, when we were sitting in Diamond Hall, and then first time we saw that yes, Baba came, and so much love. Some of us say that when we came for Babdada Milan for the first time, we don't know what God spoke that day. We just know his face, that how he was. This was my experience. When I first came to Diamond Hall and sat, I was just looking that how God looks like and how he talks. And in that Milan, Baba is coughing. So I said, "Arey, God is coughing also." So all those were experiences. So when you bring all those memories in mind, then we feel very happy. So one point was creativity. Whenever in our efforts we want to go ahead and we want to be, very enthusiastic, bringing newness in knowledge, and so creativity. So creativity can be in knowledge, in yoga. So like here we have started that Murli methods. Initially we used to just read Murli, the 4 pages, and keep it aside. But now we have so many Murli churning methods. So pick up any 1 or 2 method every day and then read Murli. So that enthusiasm will be there to look Murli in a different way every day. So that is one of the thing. Then, we'll pass the PDF to you. So yoga. In yoga also, as we always discuss here, do not use the same technique of that yoga of connecting to God, just going and sitting and thinking that I am a point of light, I am a soul, and Baba is supreme soul, and go to Paramdham and come back, and subtle world also go for some time, take his blessings and come back. So using different techniques to connect to God, and different methods what we have discussed here, different stages of Paramdham what we have discussed here, and different things what we have to do in subtle world once we go in front of Bab Dada. So what we have to do, what blessings we have to take from Baba every day. So using that creativity, then picking up any Murli and changing it into a commentary. Like Sunday's Murli, if it is on purity, there were so many words in that Murli and so many Swaman. So any time like 45 to 1 minutes we can spend just taking out that Murli and converting into a commentary and using those words and taking out self-respect, Swaman from that, and bringing that newness in yoga. So that's what we can do. Then service, different ways of explaining Gyan. It's not like that same thing, that skeleton and that driver and that soul. So different methods we should use to explain people. And like when we do guide seva here in Om Shanti Bhavan, different people from different religion come. So Baba says, no, check their pulse and then give knowledge. So check their pulse and then give knowledge. Use those words with use different words with different people. I'll just share one joke. Like, we say this is a university, this is a university. So they were very educated family. So I was using this word, this is a university, and we are students of this university. So that brother asked, while going, I want my daughter to come into this university. So what's the procedure and how much fees is there? So it's like that. So using different words to explain different people. Like in our hospital, two brothers are there. And every time they have different techniques, that 5 tablets, they will say 5 tablets. These are the 5 tablets you have to take every day. Then 5 bananas. So like that, different methods we can use. So that Baba said, Ramnikta. Then that's seva. Then spiritual picnic. Like see people go for picnic and they enjoy, they eat salty things. Baba says no, salty things also and sweet things also. So our spiritual picnics are spiritual bhattis and retreats that we can do every day with us. Plan your day every day. What is like in last to last Sundays, Murli Baba says, appointment diary you should make. So make your diary every day, that what I'm going to do today. So that enthusiasm will be there, ki I'm going to do this every day, and keep on tick marking it, that I've done this. So you feel nice also that you have finished this task. Suppose you think that, okay, today Murli was on purity. So let's do 108 time drills on purity. And then start doing it. And once you do it, you feel it that yes, by evening I should complete 108 times. So, and you can do a race also with somebody. So you can give that homework to 2-3 more people. And then let's see how we can do. So that also keeps us for going. Yes, brother or this sister is also doing, I am also doing. So like group pursharth, group effort, that can be done. Then you different swaman, different self-respect we can keep in our everyday's effort, and use those swamans and do that. So that is one thing. Anything else? Love and live. Yes. Using practically in your life. Love and live happily. Okay, so this is how we can stay enthusiastic in the entire day. And here one more sentence I read. See, if you have courage and enthusiasm, others become cooperative with you. I just remember this class, when this class started, few people were sitting. But the brother who leads this class and these brothers who lead this class, so they are very enthusiastic and they have a lot of courage to do things. And this mic was not there, this laptop was not there, all these wires what you're seeing was not there. We were sitting and we were just chit-chatting half an hour, and class used to start at 5:20 and finish at 5:45, and now the timing has gone till 6:30. So people who are leading this class are very enthusiastic, and that's where they are receiving the cooperation. So brother had different mic, then he got this mic, then he got that laptop, and then this recording and that recording. So when they have that courage and enthusiasm, this class has come to this stage now. So that's how it is. Om Shanti.